Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. I'm Julia.
I'm Kate.
And today we're going to unbox our Ipsy Glam Bags for the month of November.
For those who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription where for $10 a month you get usually 4 to 5, sometimes full size, sometimes travel size or deluxe size as they call it, beauty items, which can include skincare, makeup, hair products, and so on. So I'm very excited to see what we got for this month. Let's see.
First of all, we got a cute bag. Yeah.
It's so pretty.
It's blue with hearts.
I thought it was purple. It's like a weird color.
Yeah, it's like purple blue.
Purple blue.
Purple.
Too pretty.
Yeah.
This is the card we got in the bag. So with each bag you usually get like a mini card that has some links where you can actually get like a 30% cash back for a certain brand. But this month you can get 30% off for Dr. Brand skincare. So that's cool.
Yeah. The first product, I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now, is a lip gloss from Beauty. It's mauve color, plum mauve. It's really moisturizing. I actually was wearing it all week. I really wanted to test it out before I talk about it. So it really lasts a long time. You don't have to reapply it all the time. So you can build up. It's buildable. You can wear one layer for a little bit of a, neutral look. Or you can build it and put another layer. And it feels great on the lips. It doesn't really smell like anything, I don't think. It's like a, it feels a little bit cool on your lips. Yeah, it's minty. Like the smell is a little minty, and it actually has this, it has a cooling sensation on your lips, which I don't mind at all. So yeah, this is how the product looks like. Yeah, I really like this actually. It has a...
It's very pretty in your lips. I
Yeah.
love it.
I like the mauve colors. So this is how it looks. It's a little bit, it's like a different shape. So looks like a foot. I don't know, they described it so it's supposed to contour your lips better.
So the next item that I got, I'm super excited about it. It's Huda Beauty lip strobe, and guys, it's the full size. Let me see right here. It's the full size product, and I don't typically get full size products in Ipsy. It's a rare occasion, and from Huda Beauty, really, I am thrilled. I don't remember how much the price for the item is, like in full size at Sephora, $16 or $14 or $18, something like that. And Ipsy itself is $10, so that alone covers it. So I am thrilled because I love Huda Beauty. So the shade that I got is Enchanting, and
I think it's like the most popular one.
Is it?
Their lip glosses, yeah.
Yeah?
It has this, like, so many beautiful, like, particles, sparkles.
Yeah, I saw them at Sephora, and I don't really have any lip products from Huda Beauty. I just watched them before, I tried them, and they look gorgeous. And I've always wanted to have a lip strobe, and the colors are just gorgeous. Okay. So let's see what this one looks like. It smells awesome. Like a candy.
Yeah.
Like I want to eat it actually. So let's sorry. You want to swatch it? Or?
Sure. On you?
Let's see. Let's do that. So
I love this color. Oh
it has like a pinkish undertone. I don't know if you guys want to see closer. I'm gonna show you. So this is what the color looks like. I like the reflection of like peachy pinkish tone. This is the product itself. This is what it looks like.
Show the tip. I think the tip is interesting.
Yeah, I found it too actually. And it's like bent a little right here. And from what I've heard, you can actually wear it alone as a lip gloss or just like a strobe over your lipstick, which is the way that I prefer that. So I guess we can see what it's going to look like on my lipstick. Yeah. So the one I'm wearing right now is matte, so it should go well with it. Uh-oh.
What? Orange? Turned orange?
No, it's just I put a lot. Let's see. Oh my god, I think it turns out awesome. The only thing I don't like putting the same applicator over lipstick because it's okay. What do you think?
I love it.
I kind of like it too, right?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like that lacquer lipstick. It gives it a look of a lacquer lipstick. That's awesome. I'm happy.
The next product is from Oribe. It's called Dry Texturizing Spray. It's supposed to give you a blowout an extra day or two if you want to keep that hairdo that you went and got at a salon. So we'll keep that looking nice and fresh. So it absorbs a little bit of oil and it gives you a lot of texture. So we can try it out and see how it looks like. You're supposed to just put your hair up, shake it first, and then a few inches away from your hair, you just spray. You're supposed to spray it on your roots. So.
Oh wow, I've never known how to use it actually. That's cool.
You just give it a few seconds.
Smells nice.
Yeah, it's a good smell, right?
Mm-hmm. Not like too
Not like-
overpowering.
Yeah, there's some sprays. So you just, just play with your hair a little bit. Use a brush. I'm gonna read about some of the ingredients. Ingredients like an antioxidant-rich kiwi and passion flower extracts protect your locks and help maintain moisture. Ginger root extract softens and shines. Mango extract hydrates and nourishes your hair. Our hair look totally fresh, full, and glam without a trace of powdery residue. Yeah, one more thing, it doesn't have any residue whatsoever.
And since you got a spray, I actually got one too, so let's open that one. I got the Do Gooder dry shampoo from the brand Cake. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. I do have a few products from Cake. I got them in Ipsy before, like the body lotion, and I think it was like a hand cream or something, and they all smell amazing. This guy right here, again, really smell it yet a little. Smells nice actually. So basically what it does, I mean, you guys know it's dry shampoo. It's for those who don't like washing their hair every day, or maybe during the day your hair got a little oily. You can spray it a little on your roots and just brush it lightly to get rid of the white residue, and it makes your hair look not as oily. Basically that's what it does. So I guess I could give it a try, and it's actually volumizing, so it's supposed to add some volume, and it's cruelty free and vegan, so that's a huge plus. So the next item that I got is from Ciaté London. It's a mini translucent setting powder in shade Hideout. So this is what it looks like. It's very tiny, as you can see, super tiny. And when you open it, I already removed, it had a safety seal, so you guys know, but I dropped it, I think, so it looks a little messy. But as you can see, this is really tiny. I mean, I love translucent powders, but it's going to be super hard to use it because I'm not sure how to damp my brush. But what I can do, I guess, is put it on like something, I guess, on this card, so we can test it and see how it works. So according to the app, it says that it's finely milled and blendable. It's ultra lightweight, which we are about to see. And apparently you're not supposed to do any touch-ups because it claims to keep your makeup in place throughout the entire day. And it says that you can also be used as a dry shampoo. too, which I've never done before with a
I mean,
powder
makes
like
sense.
that.
Any powder can probably absorb oil.
I guess, especially if it's blurring, it's gonna blur all the, oil out. And it works with all skin tones as they claim. So let's see how that works. I mean, it's a powder.
To me, they're all the same. I don't know why. I just feel like they all work the same.
I know.
Even if you put like rice powder on your face, I think that's gonna do.
And it say lightweight, but I think they're all lightweight. I've never like seen setting powder that's not lightweight. So again, I don't mind ever receiving translucent setting powders, and I just wish it was a little like wider size wise, but again, I'm not complaining. So what do you have next?
Okay, the next product is from the Balm Cosmetics, and this is an eyeshadow. It's like metal gray color in color Cahoots. So I'm just gonna do a quick swatch for you guys. Oh,
It's a pretty shade.
it's interesting. It's like gray.
Ooh. It's like metallic.
You can make it look wet if you just, wet your brush and just, I actually applied a little bit on my eyes already for you guys to see. It's really neutral, you can pretty much wear this with any kind of clothes or makeup, so it's very earthy. And let me just read about it. The Balm Cosmetics Foiled Again Eyeshadow in Cahoots. The shimmery gunmetal shadow comes from the Foiled Again palette and packs a powerful punch. It's long-lasting, so shiny, and highly pigmented. The foiled effect gives it naturally wet look that is so sleek and shiny, but you can dampen your brush for an even more intense effect. Like all of the Balm products, it's cruelty-free. So yeah, I can add a little bit more just to intensify the look that I already have going on. And let's see. I actually like it a lot because it blends really well. And I can just add a little bit on my lower lid.
It's a beautiful shade.
I like it actually. I was like, I don't know, I'm getting this one color, but that could be my everyday color honestly, because I love it the way it looks. It's not too dark, but it makes your eyes, and eye color stand out too. I didn't do any primer on my eyelids. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Yeah, I like it. It's really blending so well easily.
Nice.
Okay, so yeah, color Cahoots. And what you got next?
So it's interesting how you receive a powder. Oh wait, no, you receive a spray. I get a spray. What was the first item that we did? The lips. Yeah, and I got one too. So you got an eyeshadow, and I got one too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So the one that I got is from Jelly Pom Pom Cosmetics. I believe it's in Cosmic Light. This is what it is, and or maybe it's a different shade. Let's see. So it's a loose pigment. It has like this bluish shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to swatch it. I'm not really a big fan. It is a pretty color. I was just about to say that I'm not really a big fan of loose pigments. I don't really know how to correctly apply them. I'm used to the pressed eyeshadows, but again, the light is gorgeous. Actually, the shade it's in is Pulsar. So let's see. Thanks. I'm not sure how to swatch it, but I'll just probably swatch it with my finger for now. God,
Such a
it's
gorgeous
pretty.
color. Oh my god, this is amazing.
God. Okay, I gotta do one more. Wait.
Can I try like a little?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
This is so pretty. Okay, so this is what the color looks like. I hope you guys can see. It's so shiny. It's like light blue. It truly is cosmic.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm somewhere in space. But it has like a silverish sparkle. Super pretty.
Oh my god. This
Oh
is insane.
God, this is beautiful. I'm not jealous
Oh my
of her look
God.
now.
This is a gorgeous color. I think I'm gonna buy it. Right?
This is so nice. And I like it. It's like, it's not dark and it's like light blue, but very glamorous.
Yeah, it's like for going out. It's like
Yeah.
really-
Well, knowing me, I'll probably still. So let's see what you got next.
Okay, the next product is from MAC. It's called Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in Radiant Yellow. Another microscopic product, but
Hey, it's from
we're
MAC.
gonna exactly, it's MAC, so I'll take it. It's supposed to be a little bit yellow, but when you put it on your skin, it completely blends with your complexion, and it's supposed to go under your foundation. Let me just read a few words about it. For a glowy, dewy, lit from within look, this primer just might be your new go-to. There is not much it can't do. This multitasker helps control oil, hydrates, and softens your skin. It leaves a nice subtle sheen. So if you have oily skin, that product might not be for you, but it's supposed to give you that dewy complexion and dewy finish. Made with antioxidants, rich vitamin C and E, it helps protect your skin from environmental damage. It goes on with the light yellowish tint, but it blends away and it leaves nothing but a natural looking glow. So yeah. And they recommend to put on your temples, on your brow bone, your inner corners of your eyes, down the bridge of your nose, and your cheekbones and cupid's bow.
Cool.
I'm excited to try this because I didn't try this one yet. So
I love
this.
getting fine brands in Ipsy. I think they've started sending a lot of good brands lately, so that's a plus.
Yeah. So what's your last product, Kate?
So last but not least, I got this waterproof pencil eyeliner from the brand called Lock It. It's in the shade Pearl Brown. I think the other shade that people were getting was Pearl Black. So this is what it looks like. And I'm kind of happy that I got a different shade, even though black color is really my favorite color for eyeliners. But I don't have enough of, different colors. So this should be bronzy. I actually did try it a little before, and I must tell you, this one stays on all day. I tried washing my hands and it wouldn't come off without the makeup remover. So that's a huge plus. And let me swatch it. You will see that I have a swatch from yesterday. So this is what it is. It's like this bronzy, I think it's bronzy golden kind of look.
Mm-hmm.
It's super pretty. I think it's going to be amazing. Actually, even with this look, probably would look good. It would be perfect for like the lower line, and maybe I don't typically use those on my on my eyelid, but it would be perfect for the lower line. So I am super happy. This box was really amazing, actually. For the first time, I'm happy with all the products. Literally, yeah. All of the products that we got.
Yeah. All right, and thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.